Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my everyday routine. So this is going to include cleaning routine as well as showing you guys kind of how my day goes with 2 toddlers at home. And this is a true stay-at-home mom routine because both of my kids were coming down with something, so we were home all day. So I'm just going to bring you guys along with me as I share with you my everyday routine. So the very first thing that I do every single morning is start a load of laundry, and I don't always have a load to do, but for the most part I always have some laundry, especially right now because like I had mentioned, my kids are getting sick, and so this is when I started to go on a little laundry frenzy. Once I got done doing that, the kids actually woke up, so I went ahead and I got them, and they love to have a cup of milk in the morning when they wake up, so I'll give them that and then I'll go and make myself a cup of coffee. So the kids also really love to watch a little show when they wake up. We usually do like Mickey Mouse Clubhouse or something. So while they're doing that, I take some time and I'll respond to emails, I'll respond to comments, and I'll really try to respond to every single comment that I get on my YouTube channel. Sometimes it'll take a few days, but I do try to get back to each and every single one of you. Once I've spent about 15 minutes doing that and the kids have watched their little show, I will get their breakfast together, and lately they've been loving these frozen pancakes from Walmart, and then I'll do some type of fruit and a yogurt. After breakfast time, we will all head upstairs and the kids will play and hang out, and I will go through each room and I'll make the bed and I'll kind of straighten up the room and make sure everything is nice and clean and open up all of the blinds. There's just something so magical about letting all the light into the room. I just feel like it really starts our day.
You know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know.
Once I've gone through each room, I will spend this time and get ready, and my kids will usually play upstairs in Barrett's room. He's got all kinds of toys in there, so they usually hang out in there, and I will spend about 15 minutes just doing my hair, my makeup, getting dressed, brushing my teeth, all of that good stuff. I'm somebody who I feel like I need to get ready even when I'm not leaving the house at all. It just makes for a more productive day. And I just feel happier when I get myself together. I'm a big believer in self-care, and I think every mama should do what makes them happy.
Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
After I get myself together, I'll usually get the kids dressed as well. Barrett's been getting up in the morning and getting himself dressed, and I usually let him wear whatever he has on unless he's going to school. So really, I'm just getting Savannah ready.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Once we're all dressed and ready for the day, we will head back downstairs and the kids will have a little bit of independent play in their playroom, and I will eat some breakfast. And this morning I am having a Daily Harvest oat bowl. They were really awesome and sent me some of their products to share with you guys, and they really focus on nutrition and health, and I love it. It's so convenient. Everything goes in your freezer. You just take it out, pop it in the microwave, and you have yourself a healthy meal. I do have a code for you guys. I will leave it here on the screen if you guys would like to try them. They are awesome, and I will leave all of their links and the code in the description box below.
I watch you as you drive.
And since we're all sick, I am going to give the kids and myself some elderberry gummies and some vitamin C. Once I have had my breakfast, I will usually do some kind of activity with the kids, or if it's really nice out, I will take them outside. I live in West Virginia, so right now it is very cold, so we haven't been able to go outside much lately. Plus, with them being sick, I don't really want them out in the cold. So this morning, I am letting them color and just have some creative time. And since we aren't going outside or doing anything like that, I am going to take advantage of this time and do some more laundry and just move it from the washer to the dryer.
Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
So now it is lunchtime. The kids are just having a very light lunch. They wanted lunch a little earlier than we normally have it, so I didn't give them anything too heavy. And while they are eating their lunch, I'm actually just going to clean up the kitchen. So I always try to clean up the kitchen while they're eating. That way they're distracted and doing their thing, and I clean the kitchen as fast as I can. I'm just gonna do some dishes and wipe all of the countertops down.
Want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder.
After lunch at about 12:30, 1 o'clock, Savannah will go down for her nap. And then I will finish straightening up downstairs, usually the living room, playroom, whatever kind of needs toys picked up. I will do that, and Barrett usually helps me, but since he is sick, of course I didn't make him clean up his mess. I don't know what he was coming down with. Thank goodness it wasn't the flu, but they both have had coughs and fevers like all week, and it's just no fun to see your kids like that.
You make me nervous.
And again, usually during this time, I will try to do some kind of preschool activity with him, or we'll play with sand, or do something that we can't really do when Savannah is awake. But again, unfortunately, he's not feeling good, and he kind of just wanted to lay on the couch. So I spent a little bit of time with him, and he actually ended up falling asleep. So I took advantage of the time again, and I went back into the kitchen, and I unloaded the dishwasher and put all of the dishes away.
So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. Might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. For me, it seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building camp.
Once Savannah wakes up from her nap, she usually naps about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It just depends on the day. I will vacuum the living room or kitchen, whatever needs it. And you guys will see my husband pop in here. He left work early but had to go somewhere else, but he stopped in to say hello. So that was a nice little surprise.
We were meant to be. Just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
After I vacuumed, I had this load of laundry in the dryer that needed to be folded, so you're just gonna see me doing that.
Call it off, let it go, all for nothing. I should have known. I've made mistakes, crashed and burned, so many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right. I won't be coming back again a second time. Can't take it back, everything you've done. You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong. Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know youth is wasted on the young. On the young. Setting off, time to go.
And then once Tim gets home, he plays with the kids so that I can prepare dinner. And this is the last thing that I'm going to show you guys in my everyday routine. I am making cornbread and chili for dinner. So you're just going to see me here making the cornbread mix. And I don't really show you guys the chili recipe really too much in this video, but I will link it down below if you guys are interested. And that is where I'm gonna leave off my everyday routine as a stay-at-home mom. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation whether you're a stay-at-home mom or not. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Everything